Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn cut copy paste. We're going to paste an iPhone 11 to this picture. First click on the icon between lasso and crop. Now randomly select the iPhone 11 such that it covers the entire portion which is required. Now do a Ctrl X or Ctrl C, cut or copy. Now do a Ctrl V in this other page. As this is too big, now do a right click and click on free transform. Now just adjust the length and width such that it doesn't look like an iPad. Yeah, make it smaller. Yeah, it's almost good. Now we're just gonna place it above the hand. Yeah, it's all good right now. Now I'm just gonna try to deselect this resize. It's gonna take some time, but it doesn't do it easily, so instead you can just go to file and go saving. So I'm gonna go to file and click on save as and click on apply. Now you can change the place of your destination. I'm just gonna keep it in Mr. Winifred. Now you can change the name of the file. Mine was initially kept it as images, so I have to change it. You can even change the format. I'm going for JPEG, which is very common. Now before I save, I'm going to change my name to pss.jpg. It's done. Now I'm going to click on save. Now click on large file or small file depending upon the size you want. I'm going for large file. You can go for small file as well. I'm clicking on OK and it's all done. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.